Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rose, and if you want to be part of our family, click that big red button down below and help us get to 100 subscribers, y'all. We're almost at 100 subscribers. Anyways, back to the video. So I dropped like 50 plus brushes in this little bucket, whatever how you guys want to call this, I don't know. Yeah, I have to clean them. I've been dreading this moment, and now it's time to clean them. So yeah, here I'm just showing y'all how dirty and disgusting my beauty blenders are. Like, it's just, don't let your beauty blenders and brushes get to that point, y'all. Don't do that, cause no. But yeah, anyways, so they're super dirty and I have to clean them. And I don't know if you guys remember this video where I reviewed those brushes. I kind of never cleaned them. Don't clock me, y'all. Don't clock me. Don't clock me. Don't come for my neck, y'all. But I am about to clean them right now, and I'm not gonna use them just because they're decoration. And yeah, so I'm just showing y'all this is my biggest brush. And fun fact, I ordered this brush for $1 off of Wish, and that was over a year ago. This brush is super amazing. If I can find a link, I'll put it down below, and I low-key want to buy another one because it's a great brush. So yeah. So I'm showing you guys this brush cleaner thing. I don't really know what it's called, but it has like grooves, so it helps the hairs of the brush get cleaned better. And I'm using this shampoo just because it smells really nice. And what else, Rose? Oh, and I have the my makeup brush cleaner. I ended up not using it because I had to clean 50 plus brushes, and it's not convenient for that. It's convenient to clean 2-3 brushes. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all what I'm gonna use. Now I am about to turn on the water. I turned it on hot, and it got like a little too hot, so I turned on the cold water also. But you mainly want to have your water on warm to hot, just so the products can melt better, so like the powders and the creams can melt better in the water. And I just put some of my shampoo, and I also put Heads and Shoulders shampoo because it has sulfate, and sulfate breaks down dirt and all of that stuff. So I thought it was a good idea to put the Head and Shoulders shampoo into the mixture, just to help with breaking down all the powders and all the liquids and all the cream products. So I'm just dropping the beauty blenders into the water, and I'm squeezing it just to make sure that the water seeps into the beauty blenders so they can soak. And I'm gonna let it sit there for a little. The water looks very dark, I know. It's just because of the products I use. I am dark skinned, so my products are very dark, so this is why the water is that dark. It's not dirt, y'all, it's makeup. Now I'm just showing y'all my blending brushes. These are the brushes I use for my eyeshadow look and stuff. So yeah, this little clip kind of went quick because I set up my camera on time lapse. I didn't know how quick it was going. It's the first time I ever do time lapse, so I'm just showing y'all after I use that little pink thing how clean it gets my brushes. I do 1 squirt of the shampoo on top of the pink brush cleaner, and then I just rub it just like I'm showing y'all right now, and it gets the brushes super clean. So this is what I use to clean most of my brushes. So I learned this trick off of one of those life hack videos, and it actually works, and I've been doing it ever since. So I grab the bar of soap in my beauty blender, and I just rub the beauty blender into the bar of soap, and the foundation just comes right off of it. It comes off so easy, but the only thing is you get a whole lot of soap inside your beauty blender, so you kind of have to do extra work to take it out. That's the only down part, but I love that process. I feel like it cleans my beauty blender super nice and super quick. I just take the extra time just to squeeze all the soap out. So now I'm just throwing that water out because it got way too saturated and my things weren't getting clean. So once your water starts getting too dark and too saturated, just throw it out and switch it out for a new one. Make sure you clean the container you're using every single time before you swap it out. Otherwise, you're gonna have leftovers of the old water into the container, and that's no good. You want clean, nice clean water. So I am just cleaning my container, and I am gonna add new water, and I'm going to continue the process. So the time lapse is super quick, so I'm just gonna explain it to y'all. So I was having trouble cleaning my big brush, so I just randomly grabbed the comb and started combing through the brush, and it actually worked. I didn't know I could do that. So there's a hack for you guys. So if you can't clean your big super big powder brushes, just grab a comb and comb through it with some shampoo or whatever, and it's just gonna clean it out for you. So I just found that out, and you found it out too. So I'm finally done washing all the brushes and the beauty blenders, and I just wanted to slow the video down and show you guys how clean the brushes are. For that brush, the green spots is just this eyeshadow I have. I don't even know which one, and it just stains my brushes whenever I use it. So that's that. It's clean, it's stained. I'm showing y'all how my brushes are super clean and super nice. Remember how dirty my blending brushes were, y'all? Get ready for more looks, cause it's coming. So I have a little tip for my beauty blenders when the soap doesn't want to come out. I just pop it in the microwave for a minute. Yeah, I was kind of struggling because my brother was bothering me. I don't know what's wrong with him, but yeah, I just pop it in the microwave for 1 minute, and it helps the soap come off faster. Now I'm just setting my brushes on the paper towel, just because the paper towel will soak the water, and I just like to put them in order. I don't know. I don't know. I just like to put them in order in the way I bought them. So yeah, I'm just making it look cute or whatever. That was it for the video, guys. I hope you learned some new tips and tricks on how to clean your brushes faster. Like, comment, and subscribe to join our family and help us get 100 subscribers. We're going to get 100 subscribers, guys. I believe in y'all. So yeah, that's it for this video. Get ready for more business video, for more makeup videos, and all that. Bye, guys.